Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to connect our hosting and domain name, and it's a very brief process, but it is one that you want to take note of. Once again, now I would suggest that if this is something that you just don't want to do, consider having this outsourced either on Fiverr or consider having it outsourced on Elance or Odesk. So if the process is a little too technical, you don't want to do it, just have the process outsourced. That being said, let's go ahead and take a look. Now, when you work with a company like HostGator, they're going to give you some information in your account information about name servers. Right now, in this particular case, these two name servers are going to be unique. And what you're going to do with these name servers is you're going to go over to your domain name and you're going to use these name servers. This is the information. You're probably going to get it in an email. And you're going to connect your domain name with the name servers at your hosting account. So what you're going to do, and I'm going to take a look over here in GoDaddy, and this is an actual domain name. So what you would do is you'd go inside of the name servers area. Now this particular case, it's already got some name servers in there, but if we wanted to change it, we'd click Manage, and then we'd basically type in custom name servers, and we put in that information that we got here from HostGator, right, which is likely in an email or likely someplace on your dashboard inside of HostGator. You're going to put this information in here, add your name servers, and then it's going to take it could take up to 24 to 48 hours. That's what they typically say. And it could be shorter, so you want to be checking back and forth to make sure that your hosting account and your domain name are connected. But you'll need to give it some time. It's not going to happen instantaneously. It typically is going to take a little while. So once you've done that, then you will have your domain name set, and you will then have your hosting ready to go, and you will be ready then to build your website. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.